ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into my top 5 from my fragrance tray. Well, one of them is not from the tray, but we're going to get into it anyway. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts about my top 5, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go live all the time. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see you all. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. You know, towards the end of the month, we go over my top 5 fragrances from my tray. And honey, I'm just going to say, it keeps getting harder and harder to stick with that tray because I have had many things that have come into my collection recently. But I want to just let you know what I have dabbed into and let you know what the top from that. But there is one that I'm going to start with that was not on that tray. So if you want to catch that video, feel free. It'll be either in the cards or down in the description box. You can click on that and enjoy that video. But for my August tray, this particular fragrance was not on it, but it should have been because I was reaching for it mighty, a lot. Okay, just a lot. So that is Finery, okay? And this is from Target, okay? Have you all heard of this brand? You can get this at Target, and this is the I'm a Musk. And when I tell you, I have been wearing this down, okay? Wearing this almost every day, putting it like, combining it, blending it with all types of other fragrances. This has been such an easy reach, but has been so pleasant. I have highly enjoyed this, highly recommend you get this or go into your local Target. Well, for me, I couldn't go into local Target because my Target,
it sucked, Bobby.
It's not the best Target in the world, and it don't have nothing. Okay, so I had to order this online, but I was so happy I did. I cannot stop reaching for this. Oh my gosh, like so addicted. It is so good. If you like Musk fragrance, you would absolutely love this. This is a great blind buy. And honey, it's like $28 or something like that. It is very affordable, okay? And so let me tell you what it has in it. So we have musk, cotton flower, and sandalwood, okay? So I don't know if it's that creamy sandalwood or a combination of, right, just the musk in general. But when I tell you, it just even, I mean, I would even think it has ambroxan in this. Like, it is so good. So if you like those type of fragrances, very much you're looking for something easy reach, maybe not as expensive, but something that you're like, maybe I can put this with my fragrances or my my fragrance mist or whatever, sis, that you're trying to put with it. This will go with just about anything, okay? Your vanillas, your pears, your cookie cutter, cookie cake, okay? Moving on. So next up, honey, I was reaching for Zara. I will say from the weekly mood, and we can go back to it if you all like. I'm glad you all enjoyed that video. But when I tell you, from that collection, I have been hounding on between Thursday and Tuesday. Okay, so I put Tuesday in this. So this is the totally terrific, okay? When I tell you, this you can wear like every day at work. If you had to go into work like I did, you know, you can wear it, pair it with any fragrances that you have. This is another beauty, easy reach, but you can also, like if you were going from day to night, you can even go from day to night. Now, this is not going to last day to night. Now, I'm going to say that, you know, definitely moderate, like projection, sillage, all of it. But, you know, you can also re-up, right? You can re-up on this. Oh, it's so good. This is definitely affordable. This is on Zara. Check it out. You would absolutely enjoy. So let's go over the notes. So top notes, we have bergamot lemon. We have middle notes of cardamom, iris, and we have base notes of whipped cream and vanilla. And you all know how I am about lemon. So if she's talking about something with dealing with lemon and she like it, it must be worth to just go check it out. Definitely would highly recommend you check this out. Even with the lemon note and the bergamot note in the beginning, to me it gives this sweet but depth because of that cardamom in it. Like, it is so good, sis. Highly recommend you get this. And Thursday is a good one too. And Friday is a good. They're all really good. You really can't go wrong. But you definitely have to see which one, sparks your vibes. We could talk more about it if you want. Hit me up in the comment section and we can go into more depth, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have Giardini di Toscana, and this is Bora Bora. Now, let me just say, this is not a blind buy purchase. This is not going to be everybody's jam. This is not going to be something everyone likes. And let me tell you, this definitely gives you like yellow flower milk. Okay, you definitely have to like a latonic scent. And you all know how I am about milk.
Milkomania has run wild!
But to me, this was a coconut milk. And so it gave me this sweet, kind of a watery sweet milk. And I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like a watered down milk.
That her breast milk is powdered. You breastfeed like this.
Anyway, but to me and on my skin, it worked.
It worked. It worked.
I loved this fragrance. Again, it's like this powdery, this fresh, this definitely like, to me, like clean aesthetics, brunch, but like brunch with like a big old like, doing the most bougie hat or something like that. This is so good. Highly recommend. Now, again, when I say this is not going to be for everyone, because that milk might lean a little bit like, it might lean sour. It might lean a little different on your skin. But I will say, get you a tester. I think Lucky Scent might even have a test for you. Get like a little test or something like that. Or somebody can, decant, however you can get a tester. I would test this out because this is a pretty penny. This is not like you're under the hundreds, right? We're getting into like the late hundreds, early twos, So this is a pretty penny. So I would definitely just tread easy, right? And see if you like it first. If you don't like, a milky type of profile, I would definitely say but if you like a milky type of profile, a latonic, you would jam with this. And again, it's a yellow floral on it. So you also have to like floral with the latonic note. Okay. So that's just my opinion, but let's go over the notes. Okay. So we have jasmine, tiare flower, ylang ylang apricot. Middle notes, we have coconut milk, white musk. Base notes, we have vanilla, white musk, caramel, and amber. So it does have the caramel and gourmand, but I don't want you all to think like this is a cookie cutter cookie cake, leaning like crisp crepes. Again, this tread easy. I can't say like, oh yes, go and get it. You definitely want to see if it works for you. And then if you like it, those that know, I just hit myself. Those that know, It made me hit myself. Those that know, this is so good. So that is Bora Bora. Highly would recommend. I was definitely reaching this from my tray. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have Loewe. Okay, and this is one woman. Now, when I say, I told you all, I smelled this when I was in Cancun. When I tell you Loewe was Loewe in Cancun, that must, Mexico, it was highly available, okay? Readily available there. But I was like, when I saw the price, I was like, I think I could get that at a better deal. And I think it was on Joma Shop. I forgot the price, but you could definitely get it at a better deal on Joma Shop. Anyway, to me, you all, with this hot, disrespectful weather, right? I think this lays so well and so elegant and so pretty. So this doesn't lean as heavy and cloying as some might think this does, because maybe the milk is too heavy for you, it's too thick or something like that. But this is so good. Highly would recommend. Now, is this a blind buy, sis? Let me see. I wouldn't blind buy this. And I only say that because it might, there's like this, I don't want to say licorice, but there is this note in here that you might not get along with. So I'm not sure if you would enjoy. But let's go over the notes, okay? So we have top notes: Italian, tangerine, pink pepper, bergamot. Middle notes: sandalwood, Egyptian jasmine, linen. Base notes: vanilla, amber, and musk. So it does not have, like, I mentioned this licorice, but there's this note in here. And I don't know if that will work well with everyone. So I don't want to say this is a safe blind buy, but is it beautiful? Absolutely. Did I enjoy it? Highly. I probably will rock this again for my next tray. I probably will move this into September and just recycle this because there's no rules to my tray and I can do what I want.
This whole thing, all of this, it's all about me.
Yeah. But I might recycle this for my September tray because I really enjoyed. And when I had a meeting, I had to go into work and all of that. And when I paired this with this, and I tell you the other, we need to get into some pairings because I've been doing some things. But when I paired them together, it was like heaven sent to me. Like, it was so good. Receive compliments. I kind of always receive compliments when I go into the office, but I would highly recommend, if you're looking for something that's going to fight through this disrespectful weather, but not be too, like, you feel like if you sweat, it's just going to be icky, gooey, and it's going to be too much. This is not too much. She is so pretty, elegant, and just like if she was walking on a pillow or something, like, she's like Glinda. She's like Glinda from The Wiz. All the babies were in the pillow. They were in the pillow. They was in the cloud. Have y'all seen The Wiz?
Believe in yourself. Woo.
Don't tell me if you haven't seen The Wiz. Go ahead, check out The Wiz on Netflix. But this is so good. Loewe, I would highly recommend this for you and your tray. Okay, sis? Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, honey, the dom, okay? The dom of all doms. This is Angel Nova, okay? Mugler. Now, y'all told me about this, okay? So my fam hooked me up. And when I tell you, this will fight through anything you trying to do for the entire day. Love this lychee raspberry. This is so good. It's like very much like a jammy jam type of Oh, it is so beautiful, amazing. Those who know, you looking at me like, yup, she right, yup, yup. This is so good. Angel Nova, if you do not have in your collection, please, sis, put this on your wish list. You want this beautiful pink baby in your collection, okay? When maybe you haven't gotten a chance to get Parfums de Marley Delina, right? And your coins are like, well, not yet. Maybe, but not yet. But you're looking for a moderate baby Delina. Here she is. She right here. Here she go.
Here I go!
This is so good, projecting. It definitely leans towards the feminine side. So my bros, my cousins, my male cousin, I'm sorry, okay? But if you do, like this type of scent, it is definitely a fruity type of scent. If you like a feminine flair, this is gonna be it, okay? So let's go over the notes. So top notes, we have raspberry, lychee. Middle notes, Damascus rose. Base notes, argwood, and benzoin. This is so pretty. Highly, 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 highly recommend. Was rocking this on my tray. I probably want to recycle this one for September. She is just so good. Like, even if she's not on my tray, I would feel like I would reach for her anyway. Because she was calling me, and I had to answer. Okay? So, bros, Cousins, male cousins. If I were to recommend something on my list for you, I would say the one thing that would be unisex would be this one. Your Zara, the Totally Terrific. I would say that would lean more on the unisex. Maybe my bras would love it and, vibe with it, okay? But a lot of these are leaning a little bit more feminine, but you know what I say. You can wear whatever you want. It don't even matter, okay? Please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, what? Yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.